a very heavy one in Stuttgart. Wow. Oh, wow, wow, wow. Snow. Wow, see the snow. See, look at it. Wow. It's touching my eyes. Ay. See, oh. Wow, look at it. Wow. It's heavy. It's heavy. Heavy snow. In Stuttgart, Baden-Württemberg, this is the first snow in this winter in Stuttgart, as long as I know. And I like it. I was thinking that maybe there would not be snow this winter season, but today the snow decided to surface. As you can see, look at everywhere. It's a very heavy one. This is 3 in 1. Yeah, you guys should enjoy with me. Look at my hair. My hair is already wet. I enjoy it. I like it so much. There is nothing like nature. Nature is good. I believe in nature, and I thank God for releasing this snow for us this year. Now, sis, look at snow. Look at snow everywhere. Heavy snow. Yeah, this is Stuttgart in Baden-Württemberg. Today, this is the first snow in this year. Even last year, I think last year we didn't experience any snow. I was thinking that there will be no snow this year, but eventually today the snow surfaced in a heavy way. Look at it. Look at the environment. Wow. Wow, man. This is too heavy. I like it because it beautifies the environment. Wow. Wow. Look at the snow. You can see. See snow. See snow. Look at a heavy snow in Stuttgart. Wow. Look at. Wow. See snow, man. Wow. This is beautiful. Can you see that? Snow. In Stuttgart, Baden-Württemberg. I like the snow, you know. It makes the environment to look so beautiful. Now,